So I'm going to, oh, where are we? Here we are. So I'm going out tonight to the woods, and I'm going to cook my dinner in the woods. Because I haven't really been out. I've been really ill recently. So this is my first little excursion in a while. So I'm going to risk it. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go make myself a fire. I don't know what the weather's saying, but it looks to be clear enough. So yeah, risk it. Make up some good shit. Some chicken with vegetables in a package. Throw it in the flames. This is what it looks like now. Well, I'm going to put a bit of sauce on there. Sweet chili and garlic, done. That's one. Cheeky. Parcel 1 has been done. Simple as that. Just a couple of little potatoes. And here's my quick kit, my quick forest kit. Got my little seat, my silly torch, fire starters, music, just in case I fancy listening to some beats. My gloves and my hatchet, or aka gherkin knife. Does need a bit of a sharpening, but seems to be alright for now. Arrived to my happy place. Already feeling better among the trees. I'm going to make my way down to an area that I've never actually been to. It's going to take me at least an hour and a half to get around there. So I'm going to have to stop in a minute and have some tea. Bit of food, bit of fruit and that. Bit of fruit, mate. Fruit for a fruity lad. And then onwards to find me 1 paradise bottom, and 2 somewhere to start a little fire with some dry wood nearby. Brought some kindling just to get it started, but I'm going to try and find some reasonable wood to get that fire right stoked up so I can cook me food on it. Alright, tea time. This is the little tea stop spot. I'm only going to be here briefly. Lovely little place. Someone's left their jumper. Got me my cup of tea. Very well constructed little hut. Yeah. Very good indeed. I've just left the beaten track. I'm following the compass. North, wasn't it northwest 330? Northwest. As you can see, it's just into trees now, so off piste we go. Oh, I found something. It was a cache once upon a time. Someone else has found it, raided it, and then left it open, so the last bar of chocky's gone all fucking shit. That's a shame. Well, sorry to whoever's cache that was. Ooh. Yes. This is the way to do it anyway. Well, people have come this way, so it's not completely off the beaten track, but it's definitely better than walking the trail, the boring old trail. Because you just bump into people all the time as well. So this is going to be quieter. But anyway, I need to get back on my compass and make sure I'm sticking to the right heading. Another impressive log chiller thing. Way of protecting you from the elements. Maybe the wind a little bit, but the rain's going to go fucking straight through that. I'm gonna fill it out with some of that over there. It's a shame this forest doesn't. Well, I suppose it's only a woods, isn't it? But a shame it isn't a bit more rugged, a little bit thicker. But only a great stick. You'll find a good walking stick, you know, as you become an old man. Well, if all else fails, I could use this. Not bad. Little spot. Have me dinner. Oh, we stopped at the Green Lodge. Oh, bad boy. That's where the little fire pit is. I'm gonna come back to later. Like I'm with somebody. I'm going down to a place called the Grotto that is down that way. And then Blackmore Pond, if I can find it, but that's a little bit further on and into the mix a bit, so that should be fun to find. It's probably just going to be a puddle, but it is what it is. Let's get it. Very odd thing to be in the middle of the woods. I think it's a dunny. It's a bloody dunny. I found a fucking dunny, mate. With CCTV in operation. I don't see it on the outside, so I think they're fucking filming you on the inside. You take a shit, you look up and there's a fucking camera right at you. Dirty bastards. The sun is starting to set. The trees, very beautiful, very beautiful. I think the pool is a little bit brazen, but I'm going to make it to the grotto. It's somewhere up there. Up this fucking great hill. You can't quite see the trajectory I'm at. I'm holding myself sturdy. Hey. But I'm almost at the end of my journey. And then I've got to go back and find the camp spot. Not the camp spot, the fire spot. So I can have some dinner. And then make my way back into the city. Well, let's go find this grotto still. Ooh. Ooh. So, here it is. I've gone and found it, and the grotto. Nice little view. Someone's boating down the river. Hey, that's it, a little seat. It's quite funny though. Wonder where they're off. Where are you off at this time of night in your rubber rig? Fucking bomber class. I may be ill as fuck, but I made it all the way through that forest and come out the other side. A little bit out of breath, but bullshit. Get it. Now I gotta go back for. It's gonna be a little bit easier because I ain't fucking going all over the place, but you know, in through the sticks of it. But I've still gotta go back into the forest. So it's all good, unless it dies, because I haven't charged it for a minute. We're going to do this in Galloway National Park next. This is small compared to Galloway. Galloway is fucking massive. But I think in the springtime is when I'm going to go for that. I've been thinking about it as I go through the forest, so I'm going to get a train up to Dumfries and Galloway and then a bus out towards Galloway National Park, fill a bag for the food and just go through it for 2 days. You know, I'm going to be carrying my tent, or no, it's Scotland, I'm taking a tent and a sleeping bag, not the fucking hammock. I think that'd be a bit brazen, but yeah, disappear into the big bad forest up there. And hopefully catch the northern lights too. because it's the only clear night sky forest in the UK. So, and it's one of the few places in the UK you can properly see the Northern Lights. But for now, I've got to get well. But I think it's time for me to head back through the forest and get my dinner on. Now this is traversing in the night time. Lots of fun. Well, that's the way I kind of need to go. So off the path we go. Just find that green barn. The barn that is green. Gets your fucking heart going though, doesn't it? You can hear every little snap and crackle and pop of the forest when you're off the beaten track in the middle of the night. Well, not middle of the night, but this is good news. Great news. We're here. Right, so I've got my little fire made up. Oh, where can we? Let's get this lit. Still got a little bit of kindling just in case it all goes peaked on. Alright then, I don't know if you can actually see my face, but on fire, voila. The oven has been started. The potatoes are on. Whoa. So has to sit down after that hike, but even just for a minute. Whoa. Yeah. I feel good. Success. Let the hair down. Don't be scared because there's nothing to worry about. Put your hair down and square dance with me. Have a full wild man. Oh dear, hopefully nobody walks past at that exact moment, because they're going to be turning the other way. I'm running the fuck away. Got the food on, cooking up nice. A little bit of ash on my beans, but you can see the lid's still on, so it's popping away. Pop, 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 pop. Got the chicken, the first one there, and the potato's been on for a bit now. It's not been the most lively of fires, so I'm hoping it's worked, but we'll have to check. We'll check the scenario. It's always better to leave it on for a little bit longer than you expect. I've got my sophisticated flipping tools. Oh, I'm not even filming it. It's not so bad. It seems squidgy. I think the potatoes are going alright. Let's flip the chicken again. Oof. I'm an oaf. I think another 10 minutes on and we should be good to go. Yeah, thanks Smoke. Thanks for smoking me up. What should follow me? Standard procedure. No? That's just trying to mug me off. That's trying to make me look like a dickhead. Oh, that's the steam coming out of the beans. Fucking beauty. They're definitely fucking getting burnt. You'll burn up some beans, boy. I think it's moment of truth time. Oh yeah, that's a bad boy. Get my fucking oven mitt on. I'll admit being a workman's glove. Oh, it smells lush. Oh, that's naughty. Naughty, look at that. That's the main event. The main event of the evening. Weighing in at, I don't know, a couple of pounds of chicken. Oh, that's the bacon, that's why. I forgot I put bacon in there. Well, that looks, to me, like it is good and fucking cooked, I think. Looks alright to me. That's my little pot of dinner. Not too fucking shabby. I have to smash it up because fucking I had to check it out, innit? But yeah, time for me to scram. That was bloody gorgeous. But I've packed up now. I'm just gonna throw some water on the fire, make sure I don't start any forest fires. I've cleaned up everything, leave nothing. Don't be that guy. If you're gonna go and do this, don't be that guy that fucking leaves shit all over the place. Plastic, metal, glass, whatever. Now to leave the forest, however you're gonna do that. Taking my rubbish with me, of course.